Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see sensitive content on X. The method is very simple, so let's get started right away. By default, X hides sensitive content, and you won't find the option inside the X mobile app. So we need to enable it through the web version of X. Open Safari or any browser you prefer, and go to x.com website. Tap Login, then enter your username and password. Once you're on the X homepage, tap your profile picture in the top left corner. Go to Settings and Privacy. Select Privacy and Safety. Then select Content you see. Turn on the option Display Media that may contain sensitive content. After that, go into Search Settings. Uncheck the Hide Sensitive Content option. This prevents search results from filtering out this type of media. Next, completely close the X app from your background apps. This helps the app refresh and sync with the new settings from the server. Then reopen the X app and check if the sensitive content appears. If it still doesn't work, try restarting your phone. That's it. Super easy. If you enjoy videos like this, remember to subscribe and give it a like. See you in the next one.